Om Sri Sai Ram. My most humble pranams at the lotus divine feet of Mother Sai. Today we start our computer class. First of all, join your hands, close your eyes, start 3 Omkars. Sai Ram. Today we start lesson number 3, Introduction to MS Windows 7. In this chapter, we learn about the MS Windows 7. What is the full form of MS? Microsoft. MS means Microsoft Windows 7. This is an operating system. Now start the chapter. Like the policeman, an operating system manages the working of a computer. It controls the working of all the input, output, and processing devices. Microsoft Windows, Linux, Mac OS are examples of operating systems. Microsoft Windows is a popular operating system. In this chapter, we will learn about the Microsoft Windows 7 version. All of you know, in the city there the policemen are there. They controls all the cities and they manage all the systems to work properly. Same thing in our computer, an operating system is there. It's managed all the working of a computer, like as input, output and processing, all that works and all the devices will managed by the operating system. In this chapter we learn about the Microsoft Windows 7. 7 is the version of Microsoft Windows, and there are the different operating system are also there, like as Linux, Mac OS. All these are the operating system, but Microsoft Windows 7 is the most popular operating system. Starting Microsoft Windows 7. When we press the power button on a computer, it starts loading its operating system. This process makes the computer ready for use and it is called booting. The process of booting ends with the appearance of a display area on the monitor. This display area is called the desktop. To start your computer, first of all we press the power button, and it takes some times like as 2-3 minutes to loading the operating system, and that processing time is called as a booting. That processing time is called as a booting. And after complete the booting, we can see the appearance of a desktop display. That's called the desktop. The display area is called the desktop, where the Windows picture is there. Now the desktop and its parts. The background picture on the desktop is called the desktop background or the wallpaper. You can see here in this picture, this is desktop and there are parts of the desktop. This is the desktop background. We can also call the wallpaper. At the bottom of desktop we can see one bar is there. It's called the taskbar. This is start button. All these are the small icons are there, like as my computer, folder, recycle bin. These are the icons. Clear? The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. An icon stands for a file, program, or folder. A file is an item created and stored on a computer. We use a program to create a file. For example, a drawing that we make using the Paint program can be saved as a file. A folder is a container for storing files. You can see on the desktop there are small pictures. These pictures are called icons. And the icons are a file, program, folder, etc. Now what is the file? A file is an item created and stored on a computer. Whatever work you done on a computer, after completing your work, you save that work. It's called as a file, and it's create a file. For example, here given, suppose you draw any picture by using the Paint program, and then after you saved as a file. What is a folder? Folder is a container for storing the files. We can put our files in a particular folder. That's easy to search and store. Computer and recycle bin are two more icons on the desktop. When we click on an icon, a new window opens. Two more icons on the desktop, computer and recycle bin. When we click on icon, a new window opens. We have to double click to open that particular icon. We have to double click on particular icon to open it, and it's open a new window. Now taskbar. The long bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. There are many buttons and icons on the taskbar. You can see at the bottom of your window, this is the taskbar. The taskbar, there start button is there. These are quick launch, toolbar, show desktop button, notification area, system clock, all that things you can see in the taskbar. Next is start button. The start button is located at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. You can see here. This is the bottom left corner of taskbar. Clicking on this button display a list of programs called the start menu. We can use the log off button on the start menu to shut down the computer. Whenever you click on the start button, the start menu will open. You can see here, this is the start menu. There all the programs are there, and the log off button is there also. We use this button to shut down the computer. The shutdown option is there. You have to click on that shutdown option. Your computer will shut down. आपका computer बंद हो जाएगा. You have to complete this checkpoint. I will send you in the exercise. Next is quick launch toolbar. This toolbar shows icon of those programs that we use frequently. We can click on an icon to quickly open the program. What is the quick launch toolbar? It shows the icons of those programs that we use frequently. That's easy to open that program. Next is notification area. The notification area is to the right on the taskbar. It has different icons. We use the speaker icon to adjust the volume. It also has an icon which notifies the user about an event. System clock. What is the notification area? There are some different icons are there, like a speaker and the notification for the user about the event. Speaker icon is to adjust the volume. आपने जो स्पीकर लगाया हुआ कनेक्ट किया होगा उसका स्पीकर का वॉल्यूम कम ज्यादा करने के लिए we are using this icon. Next is system clock. The system clock displays the current date and time. अभी की डेट और टाइम जानने के लिए we are using this system clock, and we can change here. If the system shows the wrong date and time, we can change the or adjust that date and time. Next is show desktop button. This button is one on the right of the notification area. We can click on this button to view the desktop. Suppose we are using 2 or 3 programs and we open that window, and now we want to go on desktop directly. That time you click on this button, show desktop button. Directly आप इस बटन पे क्लिक करोगे तो सारे जो प्रोग्राम्स है वो मिनिमाइज हो जाएंगे and directly you can go on your desktop. Here the keywords is there. Booting. What is the booting? Starting a computer. Starting process, that's called the booting. Whenever you place the power button, it takes 2-3 minutes to start your computer. That process is called the booting. Icons. The small pictures on the desktop, that's called the icon. Now our chapter is completed. I will send you exercise. Complete that exercise in your notebook and textbook also. Now join your hands, close your eyes, do the Shanti mantra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram. Take care.